So I'm gonna be right back. Call me names like home. Yeah, it is literally insanely dark out here. Like, there's nobody walking, you only see the lights, and like, you walk out at 6 and 5 in the morning. Isn't that hard? Well, it can be, certainly because of the temperature, because the temperature is killing. Like, literally, it is raining. Okay, you can't see the rain, but it is raining, it's cold. Now I'm walking like it's summer. So yeah, but this is normal. At least it's not warm like the other days, like insanely warm. I can't even talk. I'm almost at the station. My train comes at 48 and it's now 38, so I have 10 minutes, which is quite a lot of time, to be honest. And train fans be like, oh, what's the train you take? What model is it? The model of the trains I take are the MS08. Like, how do you know that? Research. The MS08, the Bombardier M6, and the Jocadia, and I don't know which number. Just for the train fans in here, because last time I was streaming and I'm pretty interested in that. By the way, that is the train I'm going to take. It's now going to Brussels, and then it's coming back that way and going to pick me up. So that's the schedule. I'm now near the station. Am I going to wait at it? Yes, because it has an interior, and in the interior can't wait. Problem is, sometimes there are crazy people in there, like doing some weird stuff, throwing things. So I'm going to stay under the station, like under the tracks, because in there it's pretty warm and safe. So I'm going to do that. I am inspired to do this by Pillowa, because Pillowa is a crazy vlog YouTuber. Like, without him I wouldn't have done this, so this is quite cool, if I'm being honest. I want to give a big shout out to him, because he really inspires me and makes my days better by vlogging and showing his life. So I really appreciate that, man. Get him to 400 subscribers. He's only at 300. He deserves much more. Come on, man. The good thing about these trains is they're mostly empty, because it's a morning train, and in the morning I'm not going to see a lot of people coming in here just sitting and saying nothing. So actually talking in the train in the morning is quite weird. So yeah. Plus, the bad thing is, I knew this train was late, because normally when I come at the station at like 46, the train is already there, at least arriving, and the train is already late. Like you see in the white boxes, that means the train is all later or earlier. So I'm going to eat now and enjoy my ride. Yeah, it's dark outside. You won't see nothing until early trains or late trains because I take my train pretty late and then I take the metro is sleeping. Do you sleep in the train? Sometimes do. And I must avoid doing that because last time I was sleeping in the train and I missed my stop, so it's not very ideal. And I had to take the metro twice because I was lucky. So yeah, I must avoid doing that because I might miss a stop and going to have to take another train and do longer because you know I take like 2 to 3 hours to get to school and
a lot.
go back to home. So it's not very easy, and I have to study too, and I have to work in the house too. So I have a lot to do. You know, once I was just going to take my train like normally in the morning, and I saw the train was late. I was looking for the reason why the train was late, and the reason was that somebody stole the cables. I'm like, why would you do that? But the problem is the train kept getting more later and later, and the train was like 30 minutes late. So I was like, what am I going to do? And then I was seeing that other trains in the same direction kind of, also being late. So I was like, what next? So I went to Brussels and I searched with my mother on the telephone a train. It was so hard and stressful. I was walking around, I was hungry, I was thirsty, I was stressing, I was sweating, and I passed like 2 or 3 hours
Oh my god.
taking the train, searching for a train to take because somebody had to steal the cables for some reason. And at last my train was like more than an hour late, and trains that used to come at 5 came at 7. And yeah, now my train is going to my stop that I'm going to go out, so I'm almost going out. I need to wait like 10 minutes for the train to depart at my station, so I have plenty of time. Well, yeah, the train system can be quite hard and it's disturbing. Problem is about some trains make too much noise and that can be quite unnerving. This one peeps when the door opens, and that is a horrible sound. By the way, I won't record starting from this point because there are going to be a lot of people coming in and talking in this atmosphere. Is quite embarrassing, so probably going to record only my feet and when I get out of the train, but not much is going to happen, so later.